Just spoke her up.
Good morning.
Good morning, Jamar.
How you doing?
Good, good.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session for the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your names to be called. And if you're in the vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there will be no talking, eating, drinking, gum, chewing, walking around, or smoking of any kind. And please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, everyone. All right, who just chimed in on the iPhone?
Rashad Green.
Rashard Green?
Yes.
All right. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Michael Lawrence, case number SP 135-52101. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, may it please this honorable court. My name is Lauren Dixon, representing Michael Lawrence, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Good morning, Counselor. Good morning, Mr. Lawrence. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Mr. Lawrence, state your name.
Oh, sorry. Michael Lawrence.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. I'm going to give you an opportunity to speak with counsel. Mr. Goss, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Why don't you join the breakout room and speak with Mr. Lawrence's counsel regarding this matter as failure to leaving the scene of a personal injury accident.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. All right, let's Counselor, what's your client's name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Are you addressing me, Paul Spaniello?
Yes.
Good morning, Your Honor. My client is Travis Gooch. I'm here on a traffic matter. This is a second hearing.
All right. What went on the first?
Well, I had the opportunity to discuss with the city attorney a plea, and he wanted my client to participate, and hopefully I'm reasonably accurate in my rendition of this, but participate in a driver rehabilitation or improvement class, which he did. And I just emailed texted Mr. Gross in the chat to get his email to send him that certificate that he did indeed participate.
All right, why don't you send me that certificate, please? I'm gonna put my email address in the chat.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. I'll do that immediately.
What was the offer, if you know what that would have been if he has completed that course? What was the offer at the time?
I seem to recall 1 to 5 over limited access.
All right, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room as well. Work that out with Mr. Goss, and then you come back and let us know what's going on.
Okay, but you would still like me to email you a copy of that certificate, correct?
Exactly, thank you.
Okay, I'll do that immediately, Your Honor. Thank you.
Very well. All right, this is Brian Little's now on the calendar. He doesn't have his file. All right. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Brian Thomas Little, case number SP 129-80531. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. May it please this honorable court, Cherika Harris, P 72832, on behalf of Mr. Little. Mr. Little, please state your name for the record.
Brian Little.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause on the matter of Mr. Little missed his court date on 10/13/2022, it appears. Nevertheless, go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute, Your Honor.
All right, I'm in a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Are you trying to get a license, Mr. Little?
Yes, sir.
All right, where are you at in that quest?
They said I have to wait till like 2024. I went up there to see if I can get my license. And they said I couldn't get my license until 2024. I mean, 2020.
I'm not gonna wait that long. We can set a trial date. That'll be either or trial or pretrial counselor. I can only imagine that the city attorney is only going to offer him a failure to display. That's going to abstract to the Secretary of State and further have more license sanctions as far as being suspended even further. So I can give your client a trial date to see if he can do better. That offer is going to be open at the date of trial anyway, so he'll still have that opportunity to do that.
Yes, Your Honor, we would respectfully request a trial date. Is that okay with you, Mr. Little?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand what's going on, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, trial date is going to be November the 15th, 2022 at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Cooley.
Está según eso es la tenía que estar.
You give me a sharp green file.
Sí, cuando vi, según donde iba, era lo que iba a dar el.
Okay, Ms. Perez, Ms. Perez. Ms. Perez.
Hello?
Mr. Boyd's gonna be, Mr. Green's gonna be.
Hello?
Hello, hold on a second. Morning to you.
Morning.
All right, who is that? Let's see who's come in. I got Ms. Gales, Ms. Perez, Kaya Green.
Yes, Kaya Green.
Who's on the iPhone there?
Miss
Monica
Gales.
No, that I haven't spoken with. I just called your name, Ms. Gales.
Rashad.
I already talked to you, Mr. Green.
Yes, sir.
Who's on the iPhone that I haven't spoken with? You have to unmute yourself.
Good morning,
There you
Judge.
go.
My name is Maria Hernandez. I don't know if it's at the right place.
I don't know what's your name, ma'am?
Mayra Hernandez Garcia.
Garcia?
Yes, Hernandez Garcia.
Myra? Del
Yes.
Carmen Garcia? All right,
Yes.
good morning.
Good morning.
All right, Mr. Bowie, are you there?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, all right. You need time to speak with the city attorney on this, Rashad Green file?
Yes, I want to make sure he has 8 matters up today, correct?
Well, we're gonna treat it like he might as well set a trial date, and look, well, let's see. A lot of these be closed out. All right, you're gonna have to, you got a lot of background noise going on there, Mr.
Sorry, I'm in person, Oakland County Circuit Court. I'm gonna go down the hallway real quick.
6, 7, 8 matters, yes. And then these
Okay.
other matters need to be closed out.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Goss.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Justin Garner, are you there? Mr. Colson, good morning to you. Who's your client?
Morning, Your Honor. I represent Valerie Gaines.
Okay, is she here?
I think she's having some difficulty zooming in, Judge. I've been in contact with him, but I just wanted to get in contact, tell the court that I was here, and she's trying to access it. But we'd like to at least speak to the prosecutor, but it's likely going to be set for a trial.
I think so. I mean, we can kind of expedite it. It's allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Those are generally hard to prove anyway, but
Right.
if you want to speak with the city attorney, I can let you do that.
Or can we just leave it on for trial, Judge?
I can just set it for trial.
Yeah, let's just do that.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Valerie Jean Gaines, case number SP 130-47281. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, good morning. David Polton on behalf of the defendant Valerie Gaines.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter as it relates to your client's appearance, counselor.
Judge, she's trying to access it, but I'd waive her appearances. Ask the court to set this matter for trial.
Okay, we'll waive the appearance if counsel indicates that his client has trouble accessing. Mr. Polton wants to know his client's got one charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Set a trial date or see if we can offer something. I don't think there's any offer for allowing. Right. All right. We'll set a trial date November the 15th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
1 second, Judge. That works. November 15th at 9 a.m. Thank you, Judge.
All right. He's still looking. I don't know what.
What? Okay. All right.
November the 15th, 2022, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
All right. Have a great day.
You too.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Hand me the file.
Okay.
All right, what do we have ready else? Let's go with Garner. Where's Justin Garner?
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Does Perez need hold on, an interpreter? What is it?
Yes.
Necesitas un intérprete.
Yes.
We get an interpreter right here?
What kind of Spanish?
Spanish.
All right.
My daughter taught me that this morning.
Good job. I remembered it from yesterday.
All right, this is Jemima
Two
Thompson, Judge Perkins.
necesitas
We need a Spanish interpreter.
an interpreter.
All right.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You say, what's your name? What's your name, sir? Marlon Perez?
Yes. Marvin Perez.
I don't know if you're even supposed to be in here.
Is he on the calendar?
Yeah, he is. Yes, he is.
What's on?
At 8:35.
8:35. Marlon Perez, case number is SP 13-39-3661. Okay. All right, thank you.
All right. Justin Garner, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
All right, let's see. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Justin Alexander Garner. Case numbers SP 1219946, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1274416, counts 1, 2, and 3. Strike that count 3. SP 1274470, counts 1 and counts 2. And 18488951, appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Garner. Mr. Garner, please state your name for the record.
All right, as it relates to Raymond on the bench warrant, Counselor.
My client stands mute, Your Honor.
All right, we'll enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. As what I can see here, your client let Mr. Goss know negotiations that your client has paid a civil infraction of 1 to 5 over, which would have given him a point on his driver's license. So he's got 1, 2, 3. He can get it. I can give you an opportunity to speak with counsel about it, or I can set a trial date, whatever one you and your client choose.
Aaron, can we have the offense dates?
Yes. For the SP 1219946, counts 1, 2, and 3. Those offense dates were 7/21/2021. For SP 1274416, counts 1, 2, and you can just say count 3 but he paid that. Those offense dates were 11/8/2021. For the other misdemeanors, there's also that he got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tickets out of the same stop. So basically, like they used to say, the cop threw the book at him on that day. And then the other offense date is a no ops ticket that's in warrant status, and I'm going to recall that warrant 18488. So that's a 2018 case, 9/6/2018. So those are the dates.
Mr. We would like to at least know what the offer might be, Your Honor.
Yes, I'm going to try to get him in here right now and get the offer. So he'll. Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
No, that's right now.
Pardon me?
No, I don't have a valid driver's license.
Do you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions?
No. I've been paying all my tickets.
I would suggest him going to the Secretary of State and getting a driver's license. Good morning.
You suggest what now?
I would suggest him going to the Secretary of State and trying to get a driver's license. And coming back.
Yeah,
You come back with a driver's license, registration, and insurance. Your offer will be a lot better.
So you said I owe. Do you know how I have 3 tickets?
None of these tickets that you have here are affecting you getting a driver's license, sir. You go to Secretary of State. If they don't give you a license, they should be able to tell you exactly what's affecting your license, what courtrooms and ticket numbers and all that. But it doesn't appear that any of these tickets are affecting your license.
Okay. Okay.
You want me to give you time to do that?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna set a pre-trial on the matter. I'm going to Secretary of State. Set a pretrial in the matter 11/15/2022 at 8:30 a.m. All right, bring that valid driver's license, registration, and insurance. It'll go a long way with putting this stuff behind you, all right? You have any further questions, sir?
I don't.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right, let's move on to Mr. Zachary Green. Is there any, did you work your, Dick Stain, did you work your offer out for your client?
Your Honor, we were not able to work it out today. The prosecutor, I've requested discovery a couple of times. I haven't received anything. The prosecutor is going to get that to me now. I'd respectfully ask for one additional pretrial to resolve this matter.
Why don't we just go straight to trial?
Well, Your Honor, I'd like to resolve the case rather than prepare for trial and subpoena witnesses.
I'll give you an opportunity to resolve it on that date.
Very well, Your Honor.
Huh?
Your Honor, if that's the only option, then of course we'll trust your discretion.
Well, I mean, it's just not about, I'm just saying, you know, potentially save you an opportunity. It'll be a bench trial generally. You want to retry it again, you can't. Where happened to the file? Does Mr. Goss have that file? All right, this is City of Detroit versus, I've already called the case, so let's recall the case of Michael Lawrence. Go ahead, Counselor. Let's go back on the record with Michael Lawrence.
Again.
After an opportunity, Counselor, to speak with the city attorney, you tell me off the record that there was no resolution. You would like another time. You'd like to seek the discovery more. I'll give you a pretrial date. Same date, 11/15/2022 at 8:30.
That'll work. Thank you so much for your
It's
indulgence, Your Honor.
13 in here. You have it your way.
Thank you, Judge. I really appreciate it.
All right. Have a great day, sir.
Have a nice day, sir. Be safe.
Oh, okay, we get your P number on the record. I'm sorry.
P number 53508.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Have a great day, sir.
You too.
All right. Counselor, did you work it out for your client?
I did, Your Honor. Thank you for giving me that opportunity to speak with Mr. Goss. Yep, we agreed on that 1 to 5 over limited access. I advised him that I sent you a copy of the certificate. Hopefully you have that in your email as evidence that he did participate. It appeared on October 21st. Mr. Goss said he didn't need a copy of it. That just be fine in your file. So
I have that copy. I'll put that in the file.
thank you.
Excuse me, Your Honor, can you put Mr. Green in the breakout room with me and his attorney?
Yes.
Thank you.
Mr. Potts, good morning to you.
I'm sorry, one more time.
We're speaking to the other lawyer.
Oh,
Good
okay.
morning, Judge. 1 second, just finishing up another matter.
Take your time. I'm going to do this other one. All right. Who was your client, Counselor?
Travis Jerome Gooch.
Gooch.
And the last four is last four of the case is 3051.
This is the City of Detroit versus Travis Jerome Gooch, case number SP 128-03051. Appearance for the record, please.
Thank you, Judge. Good morning. Attorney Paul Spaniel, LP 72366 for the defendant, Mr. Gooch.
Okay. Mr. Gooch, are you here?
I don't believe he's participating. I asked the court to waive his appearance, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna waive his appearance. This is a civil infraction. And I will ask from off the record, you indicated that there was a resolution in the matter, and that would be to plead to responsible to the amended count of 1 to 5 limited access, right?
That is correct, Judge, and I have permission on his behalf to admit responsibility to the 1 to 5 over limited access.
Okay, well, on behalf of you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea.
So stipulated.
And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, based on that stipulation, I'm gonna find you responsible to the amended count of 1 to 5 over. The fine is gonna be $125.
That was 1 to 5 over limited access, correct?
1 to 5 over limited access, and the fine is gonna be $125. And I'm gonna give you until November, I'm gonna give him until November the 10th, 2022 to get that payment in. He can pay that at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit, or he can pay that down here at the courthouse.
Okay. Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.
All right, you have a better one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse that.
What's that?
I didn't have to go on something like that.
What's that? Everything all right?
That's busted. Nothing about this.
Okay. Let's move on. I have Zachary Green. Did we already take care of Zachary Green?
I'm right here.
Where's Zachary Green's file? Right here. It's the city of Detroit versus Zachary Taru Green, case number SP 1223771. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Green. Mr. Green, please state your name for the record.
Zachary Green.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute, waives formal reading, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm gonna enter not guilty plea in your client behalf, give him a $0 bond. And I'm going to ask your client, what about a driver's license?
I'm sorry, say it again. Yeah, I have a driver's license. Yep.
Here, let's see. Run his driver's license, please.
I just actually got it updated the other day. I went and got a Class A CDL.
That's a good thing. Just check it out. If it's good, I'll dismiss the case. Good?
Yes.
All right. Case is going to be dismissed. You provided valid documentation. If there's nothing further, so I'm going to waive the warrant fee. Have a great day.
Is there I could get a copy of that notification so I could send it to my employer?
You can go online in a minute. Give my this afternoon, go online. Can you put it in there right now?
Yeah.
You're gonna put it in there right now that the case is closed. You can go online, you can print out the ROA. You should see closed at the top right corner of it.
Okay, so just go on the website and
Put your name in, that's Zachary Green.
Okay.
And put your name in, and then you'll see the case number, and it'll say closed when you print the ROA, the register of action on it.
all right, thank you.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. Good luck to you. Have a great day.
You too.
Okay, let's move on to I'm already forget that pronunciation. You gave it to me specifically. I'll pronounce your last name. Burrell,
Grawl, I'm here.
this is Burrell.
Yeah.
This is the city of Detroit versus Laura Nicole Burrell. Case numbers SP 11-023-251, SP 11-023-261, SP 11-437-001, SP 12-02-6311, SP 12-02-634, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 12-97-6611, SP 129-766-1, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 129-88001, SP 135-3248, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Grohl. Ms. Grohl, please state your name for the record.
Laura Grawl.
All right, let's add to the record. U 482-86118 and V 800-43015. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Ms. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
All right, well, they're not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I'm trying to treat this like a one-stop shop for you, ma'am.
Your Honor, I cannot even work with that entering without permission. I was managing that apartment building. That apartment building was not vacant.
Listen, ma'am.
Yes.
This is not the time for that.
Okay.
You'll have an opportunity. If you want, it sounds like you want to set a trial date, you want to contest it. Why don't we give you a trial date on all of the matters? And we can get that resolution on that date, because this is not the date and time where you state your claim on that. Now, I can put you in a breakout.
I can't. Okay. I need to go back to work, and I can't do that with that on my record. Okay.
Well, I can tell you this, the city is not going to dismiss the case just off of what you're saying now. That's stuff that you're gonna have to go to trial on, and you're gonna have to state your claim there and see how it shakes out. Other than that, I put you in a breakout room with Miss Harris, and Miss Harris can speak to you, and she can kind of guide you in the right direction on where you want to go on that. But I'm thinking this is already a case that needs to go to trial.
Okay.
Join, please. All right, Mr. Fox, did you get yours squared away?
Yes, is the officer for Grenier present?
Oh, Grenier?
Yes, it'd be Officer Anthony Hill. Is he present?
I don't see Grenier on the trial time.
Should be set for formal hearing.
Oh, maybe so. Grenier, no, it's just set for a hearing.
Okay. Looks like I have a couple defensive driving certificates in my file, so maybe my person appeared before. So I don't know if attorney prosecutor Goss would be inclined to do some type of recommendation, because I do have the proof of the defensive driving courses in the file.
You want to speak to him?
Yeah, I'll take a picture and text it to him, and then see if he wants to offer something.
All right, join the room.
Judge, we're ready on Rashad Green when the court's ready.
All right. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Rashad Ali Green, case number SP 1268474, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 126850661. SP 1302279, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1302281. Appearance for the record, please.
Jeremy Bowie, P800657 on behalf of Rashad Green. On all matters, he's present on Zoom. Mr. Green, please state your name for the record.
Ali Green.
Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Green.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, let's, what's the resolution, if any?
Your Honor, Mr. Goss has agreed to blockading and improper equipment and no valid registrations, all civil infraction, no abstract, no points, and he'll dismiss the rest of the tickets.
What I'm gonna do is all of these cases, 09500651, 134395641, 135196901, 1362388182, 144078101, 144166641, 154277171, 154277421, 173045261. I'm going to dismiss 173045261. And I'm going to close out the rest, starting with the 09. I'm going to close those out.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Still open. It says of probation. What I do see is 0 balances for all of those. So it's time to close those cases out. Now, what is the offer that you mentioned?
So the offer was blockading, improper equipment, and no valid registration.
So all civil infractions?
That's correct, yes.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Green?
Yes, sir.
I can't imagine you saying anything other than that. It's a very good deal.
Did I bring it back to you?
No, I don't think you did.
Okay, I'll go get it.
Okay, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find you responsible for SP 130227991 to the amended count of blocking traffic. It's gonna be $175. That's 0 points, does not abstract to the Secretary of State, and is more like an expensive parking ticket. I'm gonna find you responsible for the no valid registration. That's 0 points, no abstraction. That's gonna be $90. And what was the other one?
Improper equipment.
All right, I'm gonna find you responsible as written to the improper equipment. And that's gonna be $120. With the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. It's 390 total.
All right, Mr. Green,
Yes, sir.
when can you pay?
Can I pay it in the morning tomorrow?
Of course. I'm gonna give you 7 days to get that down here. You pay it at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you pay it, well, you pay it down at the courthouse.
Okay.
I'll give you till November 3rd, 2022 to make sure you pay it. Please get that in. Hopefully you get it in tomorrow. We'll close these matters out, but I don't want to see it affect your driver's license. Good morning. How are you?
Yes, sir.
That's $390 total dollars. Is that correct, Your Honor?
I didn't add it up.
Melvin Bryant is that person,
Melvin.
right?
All right.
He's right there, okay.
Thank you.
Do I need any numbers?
All right, you're free to leave.
All right.
Done.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right,
Thank
good
you, Your
luck
Honor.
to you.
Yes, sir. Take care.
All right. Who has, oh, well, this is, did you talk to Goss, Mr. Fox?
Yes, Your Honor. I actually just emailed you a certificate of completion for the defensive driving course for Shane Grenier.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Shane Michael Storm Grenier, case number SP 129-14891. Appearance for the record, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Coleman Potts, P78607 on behalf of Mr. Grenier. Your Honor, I believe my client was here previously or probably instructed that he would need to present a defensive driving course in order to get a reduction in the charges. That completion certificate has been emailed to Your Honor. I don't know if there's an offer yet though. Or, I don't know if there's an actual offer yet though.
Oh, I thought you had an offer already.
No, Attorney Goss told me to send over the certificate of completion, I guess, so you can confirm receipt. And then I guess he
Well,
would.
I mean, I don't know why he told you that, and you're not gonna tell him you got a receipt, and not have one. Go ahead back in the room and see if he can give you an offer.
Okay.
All right. Doesn't make sense. To me. Let's go back on the record. Are we ready with Mrs. I'm gonna mess it up again, Guerrero?
Yes, Your Honor, we are ready. She is going to exercise her right to a trial.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Laura Nicole Guerrero. Give me the pronunciation again.
Grawl.
Grawl.
Yeah.
All right, you need to get a job, right? That's what you're waiting on. So let's see what
Yeah.
the turnaround time is. Today.
I had a job. They suspended me, sir. So I'm trying to get back to work before I lose my job.
All right, so the 15th is the fastest that we can get you in here. Like, we gotta give them a quick turnaround, 11/15/2022 at 9 a.m. That's what you want to do, trial, right?
Yes.
All right, I have a trial date set for that date, 11/15/2022. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. That's the quickest turnaround we can get you, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day.
You too.
All right, let's go, move on to Mayra Garcia. I see you in here, Mr. Interpreter. Oh, Moises Bermudez. Who's your client? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Thanks for seeing me. My client is Pascual Guzman Alvarez.
All right. Is he here?
Yeah, he's right here with me in the office. There he is in camera view now.
All right, very well. Good morning to you, Mr. Guzman Alvarez.
Good morning.
Good morning, you, sir. What's your name again? Melvin Grant. Melvin Grant? Yes. Okay, on that Guzman Alvarez. We're gonna give the officer time to check in. Today is the date and time set for a trial. The officer has until 9:30, all right?
Okay, Your Honor, I'll be on standby.
All right, very well. I have an in-person here. Mrs. Harris and Melvin Grant. Probably gonna need an offer from Mr. Goff. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Mayra del Carmen Hernandez Garcia. Case numbers SP 1343700, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Garcia, please state your name.
Hernandez Garcia.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's run our license, please. If your license is good, we'll give you a blocking traffic, $175 at 0 points. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State. We'll dismiss the other 2 counts. You want to take that deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah, if I may, does the ticket indicate who the complaining witness is?
The ticket indicates, yes, J. Colon, COLON, Detroit Police Department. I've never seen that name before. Who's this? This is Mr. Bermuda. No.
So do I have to send the proof over the email, or I have to send them with?
No, we're gonna find out that now, ma'am. This is Mr. Todd's client. All right, the license is valid. That's gonna be a blocking traffic. If you want to, for the failure to stop, that saves you 3 points. You want to take the deal, ma'am, or not?
Yes.
All right, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an active factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, will you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can your client pay?
I can pay tomorrow.
All right, I'm gonna give you 7 days, ma'am. You pay that at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you pay it online. No, don't pay it online. You pay it at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you come down to the courthouse and pay it, all right?
Okay.
Other 2 matters are gonna be dismissed. Good luck to you. Have a great day.
You too. Thank
All
you.
right.
Have a
No, he's in. Mr. Potts? That's fine, but I'll have a show. I don't need anything yet. Let's just get through this, Gales. Title, is this Monica Lee Gales? Monica Lee Gales here?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay. City of Detroit versus Monica Gales, case number SP 1302435, counts 1 and counts 2, appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Gales. Ms. Gales, please state your name for the record.
Monica Gales.
I'll tell you what. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in this matter. If Ms. Gales brings us $210 for this whole blocking traffic, I'll dismiss these 2 tickets.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
I had emailed over the registration and the proof of insurance. I don't know if you all got it.
Where did you email it to?
Courtroom 434 36 District Court.org.
That's your.
Okay.
When did you do that? And what email?
I did it
I got it.
Monday, I believe, Monday.
I just usually type in what email they send it to. What email did you send it from?
My email. You want me to call it out? It's MNC Gales.
Let me see if I can, wait a minute. Let me see if I can think, does it have Gales in it somewhere?
Yes.
All right,
it's
so let's just type in Gales. I don't know how I guessed that, but. You don't have it. All right, you owe the court $210. You got the documentation. All right, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation, but you owe the court $210. 10/27/2022. If you don't have any further questions, ma'am, your case is going to be dismissed. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day, ma'am. Good luck to you.
You as well. Bye-bye.
Good morning, Corporal Knapp. Who's on that phone at 313-953-0244?
Yes, hello?
Yes, what's your name, please?
Trail Overton.
Overton, okay. Morning to you. All right, Mr. Interpreter,
Yes, sir. Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning, good morning. What's your name?
Raimundo Gomez, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gomez, good morning to you.
Thank
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Raimundo Gomez.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communications so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that you will, to the best of your ability, interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Good morning to you. This is City of Detroit versus Marwin Perez Verdu, case number SP 1339366, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Señor Marwin, buenos días. Mi nombre es Raimundo Gómez. Yo voy a ser su intérprete. El juez está llamando su caso ahora, que es el número SP 1339366 y tiene cargos número 1 y número 2. Por favor, puede decirme su nombre completo a la corte.
Marwin Oscar Pérez Verdugo.
Cherica Harris on behalf of Mr. Perez Garcia. Oh, lost it.
Su abogada es la abogada Cherica Harris, ¿ok?
Ok.
Okay. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Perez, you should be in our community court since you got this ticket out of Southwest Detroit. Would you be willing to do some community service to clear this matter up?
Señor Marwin, usted estaba dentro de la comunidad. ¿Usted está dispuesto a hacer un poco de servicio comunitario para que le quiten la multa?
El asunto de que trabajo y de qué otra forma pudiera dejarlo.
I don't think he understood the question, Your Honor. May I repeat it?
Yes.
Señor Marwin, la pregunta es sencilla. ¿Usted quiere hacer servicio comunitario para que le bajen, le reduzcan su sentencia, sí o no? Es todo.
O sea, pregunto que de otra forma, solamente esa, solamente
Haciendo
esa.
servicio comunitario. ¿Sabe qué es servicio comunitario? Do you understand what is a community service? ¿Entiende qué es servicio comunitario? Okay, ¿sí o no?
Why don't you let me put him in the breakout room with the lawyer and she can explain it. We'll have him back on Wednesday if he wants to participate.
Oh, ok, Your Honor. Dice que ahorita te va a mandar a un cuarto junto con la abogada y conmigo para ver si entiendes y regresarías el miércoles a la corte. Apriétale donde dice join, por favor, o agregar.
Entrar sería.
Mr. Potts, are you there?
I have an offer, Judge.
All right, I have one. All right, let's go back on the record with Grine. This is, go ahead, Mr. Potts. Mr. Goss indicated that he'd be offering an amended count of blocking traffic for this.
That is correct, Your Honor. For the record, Coleman Potts P 78607 on behalf of Mr. Grenier. There is a recommendation that my client plead responsible to blockading traffic. I do have authority to act on his behalf, and I ask that the court enter that recommendation, or enter that plea rather.
I'm gonna waive Mr. Grenier's presence because you used a simple infraction. You've secured a blocking traffic. Just will you stipulate on behalf of your client to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the response to the plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna, with that stipulation, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. I'm gonna give your client until 11/10/2022 to pay it, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing further. Have a great day.
You too.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Pascual Guzman Alvarez, case number B11068721. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. My name is Moises Bermudez, P33906, on behalf of Pascual Guzman Alvarez, who's to my left. And we consent to the proceedings on Zoom. Mr. Alvarez, can you state your name for the record?
Pascual Guzman Alvarez.
Hey, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. It is now 9:30. I have an officer. Jeffrey Bowe. Hearing no response and have not seen that officer come in the breakout room. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, we're prepared to proceed. We'd ask for a dismissal.
Okay, I'm gonna grant that motion to dismiss based on no officer. If there's nothing further, Mr. Bermudez and Mr. Alvarez, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Nice to see you. Stay safe, you and your staff.
All right, you as well. Thank you. We need to get Mr. Grant. There's no actual tickets here. Mr. Grant. See if you can find an actual ticket. Here, guns. All right, moving on. Kia Green, where's Kaya Green? Mrs.
I'm here, Your
Dar-
Honor. I'm here, Your
Mr.
Honor. Good
What's
morning.
your name?
Kai Green.
No, Mrs. Dar, what's your name?
Darkeisha Gibbons.
Gibbons, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Ms. Green, have you taken a driving course?
No, when I went on there, it said that the letter would be sent to my home, and I never received a letter for the driving course.
What went on where?
When I looked up the driving course, it said in order to enroll, a letter needed to be sent to my home, and I never received a letter for me to enroll into the driving course.
I don't know what you're talking about. This course is just online course.
Your Honor, she might not
Yes.
have went to the driving one that you told her to. Some other schools just only accept from the state.
I don't know if I ever told her to go. Did I tell you to go to driving school, ma'am? Well, I didn't tell you to go to driving school. I know. I give you the option of going to driving school. Did that come from here, driving school?
I was told by the lawyer to enroll in the class. However, when I went online to the courtrooms driving class, like I said, the information that I read said that a letter would be sent to my home in order for me to enroll into the class, and I never received the letter, and it would not let me enroll.
Okay. All right.
I may have misread the information because I couldn't really understand how to enroll.
I'll give you an opportunity. I don't know if have you ever been here before?
Yes, prior my prior court dates I've come.
And we've spoken?
No, I've never spoken to you personally, sir.
Okay, so I never did give you any driving course. I'm gonna put the driving course in the chat. This is for anybody.
Pardon me?
I'm gonna put the driving course in the chat.
Okay.
All right, driving information is in the chat. If you want to take that class, you got a 31 mile an hour over the speed limit ticket.
Yes, sir.
Which is absolutely ridiculous. So take that information down. This is a 4-point offense. You can probably save yourself a lot of points on your driving record. That's if you're found responsible or take a plea to it. You have to keep in mind you're going to have an absolute right to a trial to defend yourself. So when Mrs. Harris gets back, you need to speak with her. We'll let you speak with her, and we'll go about it that way.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's get some Bianco. We have Knapp, we have Shabazz. And those are the most ones that have showed up.
D'Angelo Lee, I'm here.
I know, I see you. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Percent. Is that Tony Percent or Anthony Percent?
Tony Grissetti.
Percent. Okay, I see. All right, I think we can get you out. Based on this one narcotics case, you have a bunch of other cases, sir. All right. All right, let's go back on the record for Mr. Perez. Mr. Perez, I've given you an opportunity. Perez, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Señor Pérez, ya le dio una oportunidad a usted para que hablara con su abogado en el cuarto separado. Ahora le está preguntando a su abogada, Miss Sharika, qué es lo que usted quiere hacer. Go ahead, Miss Sharika.
He wants to avail himself of community service.
Le está diciendo que usted quiere pagar con servicio comunitario.
Sí.
All right. Let's bring you back on Wednesday of next week, sir.
Dice que muy bien, que si puedes venir el próximo miércoles de la siguiente semana. That will be the 5th, Your Honor.
That'll be the 3rd.
The 3rd.
I mean, strike that. That'll be the 2nd. We'll have an interpreter here on that day.
What time, Your Honor?
8:30 a.m. Tell him to get here early so he can get in line first.
All right. Tienes que regresar, señor Edwin, el próximo miércoles, que sería el 2 de noviembre, y va a haber un intérprete con usted a las 8:30 de la mañana. Le está sugiriendo el juez que llegue temprano o se meta a la conferencia temprano para que lo canalicen antes de tiempo. ¿Entiende?
Sí.
Por vía Zoom.
Por el mismo número.
Sí. The same number, correct, Your Honor?
Same Zoom number, yes.
Sí, es el
November
mismo número.
2nd. That's a Wednesday.
Y va a ser el miércoles 2 de noviembre.
¿A qué horas?
A las 8:30 de la mañana.
Okay.
He got it, Your Honor.
Does he, if you don't have any further questions, sir, I'll see you back next week on Wednesday, November the 2nd at 8:30 a.m. All right?
Si tú ya no tienes ninguna pregunta para el juez, él te está diciendo que te ve el día 2 de noviembre a las 8:30 de la mañana, la próxima semana. ¿Está bien? Edwin, Mr. Edwin.
Está bien.
That's fine, Your Honor. Thank you.
I have a great day, sir. Good luck to you, and thank you, Mr. Gomez, for.
Anytime, Your Honor. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful weekend.
You as well.
Take care.
All right.
Ya se acabó. Gracias, Edwin. Ya te puedes ir.
No, muchas gracias.
Nada.
Ms. Harris,
Bueno.
I have
Yes.
an in-person here with Mr. Melvin Henry Grant. Just looking at his history, he's probably in the position that you're going to have to go to a hearing to ever get your driver's license back. Is that the case, Mr. Grant?
Yes, I have everything.
You have it? You got a hearing set?
No, not yet. I was just bringing everything to show you that they're not gonna do it until the 13th of March.
The hearing date?
Yes. Well, not the hearing date, it's the reevaluation.
So, Ms. Harris, Mr. Grant has a driving while license revoked. He is going to have to go to get reevaluated. He indicates that he's got a reevaluation date of March the 13th. We can, I would just like to set this matter for a trial, because I do know that Mr. Goss is only going to offer him a failure to display, and that failure to display is going to abstract and is going to further prevent you and hold you up on a license, I'm sure.
Excuse me, that's the 3rd, 18th, 2023. That's in March.
3rd, 18, 2023, right?
Yes, sir.
We have to deal with this, and I know that if you take the offer that's gonna be availed to you for this, then you're gonna find yourself in a situation where that evaluation is probably not gonna come out good.
And I would agree with the court, Your Honor. It's likely in his best interest to set for trial. And hopefully even at a trial date, we can work something out if we have to, that doesn't abstract.
She's your lawyer for the day.
Oh,
You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go. You can- Yeah, you can stand up right next to that cabinet. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Melvin Henry Grant. Case number SP 122-79461. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant, please state your name for the record.
Name is Melvin Henry Grant.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
Morning,
Today
Your
is,
Honor.
thank you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Let's just set a trial date for November the 11th, 2022 at 9 a.m. And we'll see if the officer shows first.
Your Honor, what was that date?
November the 15th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
If the officer doesn't show, that would be the best case scenario for you, Mr. Grant. But if the officer does show, we will see what the attorney on that date can work out for you.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you gonna are you gonna come back in the court or you wanna do it on Zoom?
I'm coming back in, sir.
All right, make sure you bring your paperwork as well.
Yes, sir.
Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you, all right?
You do the same.
All right, that'll conclude.
All right, you have
Thank
a
you,
great
ma'am.
weekend.
Officer, you as well. Have a better.
Thank you.
All right, let's move on. This is the city of Detroit versus, is it Kaya?
Kai?
Kai is Kai?
Yes, sir.
This is the city of Detroit versus Kai, Brianni Green.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Case
sir.
number SP 126-70451, SP 126-70461. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Green. Ms. Green, please state your name for the record.
Kai Green.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Green has a more serious allegation of 31 plus over the speed limit, even though that's a civil infraction. It does carry 4 points on her driver's license and she was found responsible as written. What I've given Ms. Green is an opportunity to take the Michigan defensive driving penalty. It's not Michigan defensive driving, that's one of them. The betterdrivers.com, that's cheaper than the Michigan defensive driving course.
Okay.
So I would want you to take the course seriously.
Yes, sir.
And then try to convince the city attorney that you deserve some relief. He's gonna give you some relief just by taking the course, but you need a lot of relief.
Yes, sir.
So you have the information in the chat. It would expedite things if you send me that certificate ahead of your court date. That way I can have it in your file, and then we can get to an offer. You'll have the absolute right to a trial, and you have the right to speak to Mrs. Harris if you choose.
Okay.
You want to take that time? How long is it going to take you to do the course?
I can try to get it done as soon as possible, Your Honor.
I'm gonna give her 30 days. Pre-trial date is gonna be November the 28th, 2022. Thank you. At 8:30 a.m. All right.
8:30 a.m. Yes, sir.
All right. If there's no further questions, ma'am, you have a very good day.
Thank you so much. Have a great day, Your Honor.
You have a better one. Thank you.
And Your Honor, for our trial matters, do we have, which officers are checked in? I guess is my question.
Let's get Mr. I printed out I know the officers, well, they seem to be gone now. I don't know why they're leaving the room. We have Overton. Well, Overton's not set for trial. I know one.
Mr. Is it Golden?
Yes. Yes.
Has Officer Towns checked in, Your Honor?
He did check in, but he's not here.
Overton?
Overton, you don't need an officer yet. I had Rossetti. You call, well, I don't need to file now because the officer never showed. We can get one of Rossetti's cases done and we can get them arraigned on the other.
Okay, ready?
Sorry to interrupt, Your Honor. This is Officer Gifford. I didn't want to interrupt the past few cases. I'm here for Mr. Gregory. If he has checked in.
Good morning, officer. What time did you arrive? Is Edward Gregory here?
I checked in about 9:15.
Yeah, I think you did. I didn't know. I did have you in line. All right, Edward Gregory is not here anyway, so I'll call the case in about 5 minutes. I'll give him another 5 or so minutes to show up.
All right, thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Okay. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Tony Eric Cressetti Jr. Case numbers U6036341. That case is on the docket today for a trial. And let's also call SP 1248177 counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1376711 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Grissett, please state your name for the record. Or Grissetti. I apologize if I got that wrong.
Tony Grissetti.
Grissetti.
All right, let's talk about the U ticket U6036341. That ticket appears to have been written by Officer Michael Reyes Morales. Michael Reyes Morales, I have not seen that officer check in. So go ahead, counselor, on that.
Your Honor, defense moves to dismiss for failure of complaining witness to appear.
Okay, I'm gonna dismiss that case, grant that motion for no officer. As it relates to, and I'll waive the warrant fee.
Thank you, Your Honor.
As it relates to the other cases, I believe this may be his first appearance on those. There's show cause / arraignment. Go ahead, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
And they're not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
No, I had a apartment, but I never had the chance to go up there and take the driver's test over.
Well, I'm going to give you an opportunity to get a driver's license.
Thank you.
Do you want that opportunity or not?
Yes, I do.
All right. How long is it going to take you to get to the Secretary of State? Do you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions?
I don't think so.
Well, you need to go check it out. I don't see how you don't know whether you have any other tickets in any other jurisdictions, but pre-trial date is going to be 11/28/2022 at 8:30 on these matters. I'm giving you an opportunity to get those, get a driver's license, bring some registration and insurance. You'll get a lot more favorable offer, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you have any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
All right, thank you. You as well. You said the 28th?
28th of November, write it down, sir, please.
Okay, same time?
8:30, yes.
Okay.
All right, let's call the
And Your Honor, which other officers did we have checked in?
Well, we have Officer Wood here now, and he is here on, who are you here on, Officer Wood?
Officer Gifford for Mr. Gregory.
And Officer Gifford for Mr. Gregory, and then we have Police Officer C. Wood for Lawrence Otis.
Officer Woods was off of Wall.
Wall.
It's Lorenzo Otis Wall.
No, sir. Wood is here for Jelon Lorenzo.
I don't see either of those.
That's on the second page 3 at
No,
9
I see
a.m.
'em. I don't see anybody that showed up.
Right. And I need to speak to Attorney Harris regarding the offer for Mr. Lee.
Let me get the officers out of here. This is the city of Detroit versus Edward Clinton Gregory, case numbers SP 131-36741, SP 131-36761, SP 131-37351. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Gregory, who is not present, Your Honor, and I have no information regarding his whereabouts.
Okay, Officer Gifford, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, sir.
State your name and put your badge number of department and
Officer Joseph Gifford, Detroit Police Department, badge 952.
all right, good morning to you, Officer Gifford. All right, this is a result of failure to turn, no insurance, and failure to disclose. I'm going to set a show cause in this matter. See if we can find Mr. Gifford. It doesn't appear that he has any lengthy history here, and it appears that he may have a driver's license, so I don't want to mess that up. We'll see if we can find him, Officer Gifford. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day and be safe out there, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
All right, let's Law. City of Detroit versus Jalon Lorenzo Otis Wall, case numbers SP 128-2342, counts 1 and counts 2. Here for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Lorenzo Otis Wall, or Jalon Lorenzo Otis Wall, who is not present. I have no information regarding his whereabouts.
All right, today is a date and time set for a trial. Officer Wood, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, sir. Officer Wood, badge 4163 with Detroit Police Department.
Okay. Oh, he's. All right, we're gonna issue a show cause in this matter as well. See if we can find him, all right? Nothing further? Officer Wood, you have a great day. You be safe out there, all right?
Thank you, sir. You as well.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. This is Darkeisha. City of Detroit versus Darkeisha Precious Gibbons, sorry, SP 110239991, SP 110239992, and SP 110239993. Also SP 1102561. Let's also call 19515-294 counts 1 and counts 2. 18457741. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Gibbons. Ms. Gibbons, please state your name for the record.
Darkeisha Gibbons.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
All right, manner not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give her a $0 bond. I'm going to set aside the default in SP 1102399 counts 1, 2, and 3. Okay, what do you want to do with these cases, Counselor? She's got a 118 case, 219 cases. Rachel Stark, 19. What would you like to do?
Your Honor, we would like to know what the offer might be, but it also seems like it might be a good idea to set these for trial.
Well, I can get you an offer. I'm going to put you in a breakout room for office you've got to work out something for Lee. We have Mr. Golden.
Yes, can you hear me?
I can hear you, sir.
Okay.
But Officer Towns was here, but he's gone now. So I'll put you in a breakout room with
Your Honor.
Mr. Goss. Are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's work out something for Gibbons. Why don't we work out something for Gibbons? I don't know where your officers are. Towns, Golden is here. Towns showed up. I thought I saw him and put him in the breakout room. He's gone. Shabazz is gone. Knapp is gone.
They both in other courtrooms, Your Honor, but I do have their cell phone numbers to contact them.
Yeah, but they're not in here, and it's time to go.
Your Honor,
So,
they in other courtrooms. So
Overton is,
I'll get them over here, Your Honor.
Overton is, let's work out, we have Overton, let's work out Overton, Lee, Golden, and Gibbons. Let's work all of those out.
Your Honor, I just want to inquire, you indicated you gave, you said Officer Towns checked in
Yes.
and Officer Knapp checked in.
And
Shabazz.
And Shabazz, okay, just checking, just, okay. Mr. Goss, okay, Mr. Goss.
No, I just said and Shabazz.
Because you knew where I was going with this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right, let's work out something for all 4 of those in one, and so they'll know, and I can put you in a breakout room with each one of them separately. So they got a understanding, and you can help them on how they can potentially proceed, or how they should potentially proceed.
Could I speak with Mr. Golden in the breakout room first?
Yeah, well, let's find out, let's get an offer. Well, I can get the offer and you can speak to Mr. Golden. Mr.
Thank you.
Golden, do you
I was just
Mr.
gonna.
Golden, do you have registration and insurance?
No, sir.
Oh, well.
Thanks, Mr. Golden. I probably wouldn't answer that.
All right, go ahead. Speak to the breakout room.
Is it in proper plates, Mr. Goss?
Yes.
Join the room,
Okay.
please.
I don't need to speak to Mr. Well, I guess I could. Thank you.
Only have ROH or Mr. Golden.
Mr. Golden. Is that all we have?
Your Honor, it appears Mr. Golden's count 1 is set for tomorrow.
We're gonna put it all on the day. It's all written.
They're gonna
by
put it out
the same
today?
officer.
Do you know what count 1 is?
Driving while license improper.
Okay, thank you.
That's what it's about. All right, today is 27th. All right, we're gonna see if the actual ticket's in that file.
Oh my God. Did you do a printout for all of them? Okay, I just That's why. Years ago. I'm gonna go upstairs. You want anything from up there?
Ready on Golden, and I'm also ready to go into a breakout room with Mr. Goss to work out offers on the remaining matters.
All right, let's wait on Golden. We're gonna see if we can find the actual tickets. As of now, we don't have. Put you in a breakout room with Goss.
Thank you.
Mr. Goss, can you join that room, please?
Your Honor, may I speak with Mr. Lee in a breakout room, or could he be placed in the breakout room with myself?
What's going on with Gibbons? Did you talk about Gibbons yet?
We did not. Let me go back before I talk to Mr. Lee.
All right, we're on the record with Gibbons. Do you have a file?
Yes.
Your Honor, the current recommendation for Gibbons is a fail to display.
Let's put it on the record. All right, let's go back on the record, but this is Darkeisha Gibbons. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, after speaking with the prosecutor in this matter, the current recommendation is a plea to one count of fail to display and one count of improper plates. I am guessing that Ms. Gibbons is trying to reinstate her license, or is your license valid now? Don't answer that on the record. But based on that offer, I would ask the court to set the matters for trial. Ms. Gibbons, are you in agreement with that? You have to speak your answers.
Yes, I'm sorry.
She can answer whether her driver's license is valid now. That wouldn't necessarily mean that her driver's license wasn't valid at the time of the stop.
Are you working on reinstating your driving privileges, or is your license valid now?
That's what I'm working on now. Reinstating my driver privileges.
We'll do this. I see you have an ink pen, ma'am?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
You have an ink pen?
Huh? I can't hear you, Judge.
Do you have an ink pen? An ink pen?
Yes.
Right? You need something to write with.
Okay.
The ticket number that's gonna really affect her license is it's gonna be SP 1102399-2. I will allow her to pay the reinstatement fee up front for that ticket. That's a $45 fee. And it appears that if you pay that, well, there's another one as well, I think. Let me look it up again. Also, reinstatement fee. The case number is SP 11025-671. That has a $45 reinstatement fee as well. If you pay that those reinstatement fees of $90, it appears that you'll have clearances here at the 36th District Court to get a driver's license. Let me see this last one. Okay, there's another reinstatement fee on SP 1102399. Count one of that ticket. Let me see what they did with count two. I mean, count 3. And count 3. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 reinstatement fees. They're $45 a piece. That would be $180. I'll allow you to pay those reinstatement fees up front. Pay that $180. That'll get you clearances, but I would like you to take another step if you're going to do that and bring that up to the courtroom. Those that you paid those reinstatement fees, so Ms. Mathis can send a note to the abstract clerk, or you can let the abstract clerk know down there that you need a note sent to the Secretary of State. And then you should be able to go get a license. Well, I don't know if you what kind of tickets you have in other jurisdictions, but if you don't have any other tickets in other jurisdictions, you can potentially go get a license. Miss Harris, does your client want to set that trial date, or?
Yes, Your Honor, it's my understanding that she wanted to set the matters for trial.
All right, I'll give you a trial date of November. That's what you want to do as well now?
Let me ask you this. You said set the trial dates for the tickets, or I can just pay them? Or
no. Well, you can pay the civil infractions, but I'm sure your attorney's not going to recommend you do that, because if you pay the 16.
Oh no, I'm going off what she tell me. I just needed a better understanding.
All right, so you need to pay the reinstatement fees. So you're going to have to come down to the court.
Okay.
And let the cashier know down there that the judge allowed you to pay the reinstatement fees. I gave you the case numbers.
Yes.
SP 1102399, count 1, 2, and 3 have reinstatement fees. And SP 11025-671 has a reinstatement fee, $45 each. You pay those reinstatement fees, you wait 48 to 72 hours, and you go to the Secretary of State and see if you can get a license, okay?
Okay.
And we'll set a trial date for November the 16th, 2022 at 9 a.m. I want you to bring, she's gonna have to pay another one on this 15 ticket, I'm sure. These are results of you not showing up for court.
I know.
On this 15 ticket is gonna be another reinstatement fee. That's the no proof of insurance. 15-468-5423.
And what's you said 15-4 ending in 2-3?
So 4, yeah, and then in 2-3, 468-5423.
Yeah, I have it.
All right. So that's another reinstatement fee. I've marked it down there. We'll put it in. You'd probably be served best if you came upstairs to the courthouse and when you pay those and show Miss Mathis those receipts so she can send a note to the abstract clerk.
Am I able to come down today?
Certainly.
Okay, I'm on my way.
It will make it quicker. You make it quicker, and then after that, you wait 48 to 72 hours and see if you can go to the Secretary of State. If they don't give you a license, you can ask them exactly what's holding your license up, and they should be able to tell you that.
Okay.
All right. All right.
Yes.
If there's nothing further, Ms. Gibbons, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You too. Thank you so much.
All right. All right. Now, who do you want to speak to? Mr. Lee?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
All right. What's going to go on with Gold?
It would be a plea to improper plates, Your Honor.
All right. You want to talk to him right quick right now? See if he wants to
Mr.
take that
Golden?
deal?
Yes. Oh, Mr. Golden and I spoke about that already. He wants to do that.
All right. All right. Let's call that case. This is the City of Detroit versus Dwayne Iman Golden. Case numbers SP 1333035, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Golden. Mr. Golden, please state your name.
Dwayne Ron Golden.
Your Honor, Mr. Golden and I did discuss the case. I will again indicate that today's the date and time set for trial in the matters. I believe it's been stated that Officer Towns did check in today. However, I do want to note that Officer Towns has not returned to the courtroom. Mr. Golden is prepared to move forward and enter a plea.
Let me stop. Let me allow, I'll put it back a little while and give Officer Towns a few more minutes. And if he doesn't, you know, law said he was going to contact them. I don't understand how they don't come back in here. So, and it's now 10:30.
Your
So
Honor,
yes.
on Towns, I did not speak to Towns at all. I only spoke to Knapp and Shabazz.
I thought I saw Towns come in.
I did not speak to him. And I did not see him either, Your Honor. So I cannot tell you that he showed up or not.
Maybe, no, I'm gonna go off that. If you didn't see him, I didn't hear, he hasn't gotten in touch with you. Go ahead, Ms. Harris.
Defense moves to dismiss.
All right. I'm gonna dismiss the case. No officer. Keep in mind that you can rewrite these tickets, Mr. Golden. So there's a dismissal without prejudice. If there's nothing further, have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you both.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Thank
All
you.
right, I have Mr. Overton and Mr. Lee. I'm putting Lee in the breakout room now.
Thank you, Your Honor. If the court is inclined, we could do Overton first. The people would like an opportunity to discuss with their officers, so we will be requesting a trial date.
On Overton?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Santrell Anthony Overton. Case numbers SP 109-4656, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1108800, counts 1 and counts 2. All of these cases are. All right, SP 1108801, counts 1 and counts 2. U99158713 and U99242713. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Overton. Mr. Overton, please state your name for the record.
Yes, Chantrell Overton.
Your Honor, at this time, we are respectfully requesting that the matters be set for trial.
All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Overton?
I'm sorry, Teddy. Here.
You want to set them for trial, Mr. Overton?
I'm not sure what my options are.
Yeah, speak to him momentarily in the breakout room so you can understand. He's got these U tickets, they're old. There's no offer on a EWAP ticket. So speak to Mr. Overton first. Then we'll put you in a breakout room. Mr. Lee is waiting on the breakout room too, so.
Okay, thank you.
No, she just wanted to explain. Huh? We already get on Zoom. I'm sorry, Jeff. Cat got that on that.
Ready on Overton.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Overton. Mr. Overton, I'll give you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, after discussion, my client wishes to have his matter set for trial.
All right, Mr. Overton, is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to give you a trial date of November 16th, 2022 at 9 a.m. You need to have a phone or that you can zoom in and we can see your face, sir, or you need to come down to the courthouse, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Overton, have a good day. Good luck to you.
Yes, you too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Go ahead and talk to Mr. Lee now. All right, on the iPhone, is that Miss Lewis?
Yes,
I need you to turn, good morning, I need you to turn your camera on, ma'am.
yes. Hello?
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
You're not putting your clothes on, are you?
No,
No, you're not gonna wear the bonnet on your head.
huh?
You're not gonna wear the bonnet on your head. I don't do bonnets, man. Well, you can gasp all you want to. I can give you some time to get yourself together if you need to.
I'm sorry?
I said I can get you some. I can give you some time to get yourself together if you need to.
Okay.
All right, Corporal, now I have you as a peer. I think this case is going to work itself out. I know Shabazz was here as well. I think those were the only two officers that I saw in the case.
I'm ready.
So you change up from a bonnet to a stocking cap, ma'am?
This isn't a stocking cap.
Go ahead. Were we going to call the case, Mr. Lee?
Yes, Your Honor, we are ready.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus D'Angelo David Lee. Case number SP 1315948, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1324519, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1324522, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1348400, counts 1, counts 2. SP 1348617, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, please state your name for the record.
D'Angelo Lee.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Mr.
Good morning.
Knapp, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Corporal Knapp, badge 4018, Detroit Police Department, 6th Precinct.
Good morning to you.
Morning.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Is there a resolution, Ms. Harris?
Yes, Your Honor, I believe there is a resolution. Mr. Lee would be entering a plea to an amended charge of allowing an unlicensed person to drive, as well as 1 count of expired plates. My understanding is the remaining matters are to be dismissed.
Very good, generous offer there. Great work. Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Sure you do. All right, that's
Yes.
going to be a $240 fine and a $145 fine. I will dismiss the allowing upon payment of the 240. All right.
Okay.
All right. Raise your right hand, please, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand the max? Mr. Corporal Knapp, you don't have any further questions. You're free to leave.
Okay, Your Honor, thank you. You have a good day.
You as well. You understand the maximum possible penalty to this offense, sir, 93 days in jail and or $500 a fine?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes, sir.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Okay, so I'm drawing your attention back to May the 1st, 2022, at around 4:48 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Joy and Abington. Sir, did you have a contact with the Detroit Police Department on that day?
Yes, sir. But actually, I was in the store while he had contact with the vehicle, so I wasn't even in the car at the moment.
All right, so you can't, that was going to be my next question. Were you operating a motor vehicle? And I can see no on that. Right?
No, I wasn't. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, so we can't get that deal, Ms. Harris.
Well, no. Well, Your Honor, if the charge is now allowing an unlicensed, did you allow someone without a license to operate a motor vehicle?
Let's go with this.
Yes.
One. Let's go with this one. Let's draw your attention back to February 21st, 2022 at around 4:37 p.m. in the area of Joy Road and Metall Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
On that date, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Can you repeat that?
On that day, were you operating a motor vehicle, or were you at the store again?
I was. I think I was. It was at a train stop.
But you were operating a motor vehicle on that day?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer, you came in contact with the Detroit Police Department, right?
Yes, sir.
You were asked to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
At the moment, I didn't have it, and I was just working on it. So once I got the ticket, it was, you know, I had to wait for it to come through the mail, and then the ticket, I got another one, so I wasn't able to get it.
All right. I'm gonna find, you got a valid driver's license now, sir?
No, actually, I got all my insurance and everything squared off. They wouldn't let me take my road test without my birth certificate at the Secretary of State. So I got an appointment with the Wayne County Clerk on November 18th. That's a Friday to get my birth certificate. Then I'll have it after that.
All right. All right, so he didn't have a valid driver's license. I'm about to find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'm gonna find you $240 for that. For the expired plates, counselor, will your client, please, on behalf of your client, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for the responsible plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, for that stipulation, I'm gonna find you responsible for the for the expired plates. With stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss all the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, $240 plus another $145, sir. I think it's $385. When can you pay?
I can pay tomorrow.
All right. You've taken care of business. I got that. I'm going to set a review date for next week. That way, I'll have an opportunity to November the 3rd, 2022 at 8:25. If you have it paid, sir, you don't have to show back up. Pay it at any div deck kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come in down to the courthouse and pay it. If it's not paid, you need to show back up because it's going to further affect your license. All right. And we'll we'll dismiss the misdemeanor upon payment. All right.
Okay. And what's the total amount again, sir?
I think it's 280. I think it's 385. But you're gonna get a better idea when you go to the kiosk after my clerk puts it in, or go to the kiosk, come down to the courthouse.
Okay.
All right. There's no further questions, sir. I wish you the best of luck and have a very good day.
Okay. You have a better one. Thank you both.
Thank you. All right. Lewis, I have a problem. I was always grown up to know that a woman can wear a hat inside of a building. A man is always supposed to take their hat off. Well, Miss Lewis comes in here late, right? And she puts a bonnet on her head, and I don't do bonnets at all, but then she takes the bonnet off. I told her she can get a minute to get herself together, and she goes and puts a scarf on her head. So, go ahead.
Okay, I didn't know that you don't do bonnets.
No, but I know that. You probably didn't know that, but what it is I don't see how people do bonnets. I don't see how they go out in public with a bonnet on.
I don't go out in public with a bonnet on.
But you see a lot of people do it, don't you?
I do.
It's like my mom and grandmother and stuff like that, and that's like absolutely, you don't even go out to get the newspaper with that on. So I just don't know how I feel about, the scarf on her head. Unless it was like, go ahead.
It's a do-rag, and I have I keep it on my hair for a certain reason.
I know that. And it's not for fashion. It's not like a woman wearing her hat or it's on there. It's just to cover up your head. This is the city of Detroit versus Tarina Chanel Lewis, case number SP 1354195, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Oops, Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lewis, please state your name.
Toriana Lewis.
You need to go in a breakout room with me, Ms. Lewis.
The who?
She's got a
You wanna-
valid driver's license. I can say that, Counselor.
Okay.
I don't know about valid insurance or registration. Let's also call the state of Michigan versus Toriana Chanel Lewis at SX 394-84511. That is a case where allegedly she was involved in an accident. So let me see if I have that ticket in here. I'll set aside the default. Hold on a second.
Can I go in a breakout room with Ms. Lewis, please?